So this is the Albo that I ordered. It is 3-day shipping. I think they shipped it on October 31st, and today is Friday the 4th, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I had an Albo from another place, and unfortunately it ended up dying because it had root rot at the bottom. It just didn't make it through the shipment for whatever reason. But this one it's lightly rooted is what they said, but cute wrapping there. Green, and then a little sticker. I don't know what that's all about. But let me take this out here. And little stickers too.
Thank you.
So it's wrapped, looks like pretty good, pretty well. It's wrapped pretty well. There's a cup right here and some cardboard to kind of keep it intact. And of course the polyfill or whatever you call it. Okay, so that looks super pretty. Obviously it looks like it's kind of a little bit dehydrated. Oh, nice. I forgot that there was a second leaf to it. But this definitely looks like it needs some water soon. So, and I think actually, look, there's a leaf coming up there. I didn't expect that. But that is the beautiful Monstera Albo. I'll have to take this tape off. It looks like they taped this this down so then the moss wouldn't come out. So like I said, it's supposed to be lightly rooted, and I'm going to put it in a very high humidity situation for the next several days, and hopefully it will do well. But it looks pretty good. Just like I said, maybe a little dehydrated. Of course, it's been in a box for 3 days in the dark, and so hopefully, ooh, very pretty. Yeah, so I think that looks pretty good. And you can see here, I feel like taking it out and looking at the root just to make sure. A little nervous about doing that though, honestly. Okay, well that's promising. Look at that. That looks like a great root. So, all right, well I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the cup, and I think that's a great looking root, and I'm just gonna keep it in here. They said lightly rooted, so, and then yeah, this looks pretty good. We'll just have to, like I said, I'll have to put it in a really high humidity situation, and hopefully it will perk back up quickly. And I'm really happy about this. It was like 212 bucks or something like that. And it's got a new leaf going, so that's good, that's promising. But super pretty. Hopefully I can keep this looking good and keep it thriving, and we'll see what it looks like hopefully in a year. But I thought I'd go ahead and record this.